As part of determining what your minimum reasonable needs are to support a request for spousal maintenance after the divorce, you have to show that you've attempted to look for work, that you were unable to get a job, or you can only get a job making a certain amount of money. That's one thing that a court will look at to determine, can you meet your minimum reasonable needs? So a lot of people come to me during divorce and say, should I get a job if I'm going to be asking for spousal maintenance? Will that hurt my chances for getting spousal maintenance? My answer to that is no. I think it's a requirement. You should be trying to find a job, and the worst thing that happens is that you can't find a job. You can't find a job that will support you with enough income, and that actually helps your case. That helps you justify to the court that I cannot meet my minimum reasonable needs with the education and the training that I have. I can't find a job that's going to pay me enough to support me. When looking at a spousal maintenance calculation, the court will ask for proof of what your minimum reasonable needs are. Now, a lot of people think that this is what I'm spending on myself now. This is my budget now. And if you had a pretty good lifestyle at the time you are getting divorced, that's probably not what your minimum reasonable needs are. So that's going to be a pretty low bar. A judge is going to want to see, what does it really cost you to live? Not what does it cost you to live at the Ritz-Carlton, but what does it cost you to live at a reasonable location, a reasonable safe location in the area you live. So you may not be getting the same hair treatments and nail treatments as you did when you were married. Again, these are minimum reasonable needs, not the lifestyle that you were living when you were married.